Hubbards Journey, and we have breaking news today. Hot off the presses. That's right, hot off the presses. Our top story is the Buenos Aires bump. So when you think of Buenos Aires, don't you think of the tango? Da-da-da-dum, da-da-da-da. Well, the celebrity Equinox did a little tango while in Buenos Aires. Due to high winds, the ship actually broke away from the pier and drifted into a fueling ship and did the tango in Buenos Aires. There were no injuries reported, and the ship was delayed for a short period of time. Second story, military diversions. You heard that right. The Norwegian cruise line recently canceled a visit to Curacao due to military exercises in the area. All right, let's move on to something a little lighter. How about for adults only? Carnival Cruise Line is expanding its SEA, adults only cruises, offerings from 2026 due to high demand for a kid-free environment. All right, let's move on to the next story. Let's talk big money. Let's talk Carnival big money. Carnival just reported their 2025 reaching $2.8 billion in net revenue. Net revenue yielding shareholders a dividend. Carnival hasn't paid a dividend since the pandemic, and now they're back to paying dividends. Thank you, Carnival. All right, let's move on to the next story, and that is Celebrating America. That's right, Celebrating America. Holland American Line unveiled a special Stars and Stripes cruise for July 2026 to celebrate America's 250th birthday. And it's departing from my close to home, Boston, Massachusetts, with an overnight stay in New York. All right, we're going to wrap up this breaking news with the FIFA World Cup 2026 coming to America. Well, the good news is Princess, Holland America, and Seabourn have all secured deals to broadcast the 2026 World Cup matches live across their entire fleets. So this is Michael Hubbard from Hubbards Journey, and that's our breaking news. Thanks for coming along.
Thanks for watching, but there's more to explore.
And don't forget to hit that subscribe button
so you never miss any adventures.
Click on one of these videos to keep the journey going.
And this is where I say ciao for now.
We'll see you soon.